Hello children, uh, here I am with my new video, and as we are going through chapter 5, that is about simultaneous linear equations. Already I have given you 2-3 videos based on one exercise 5.1. So in this video I am solving few more sums, and here I am going to start from question number first, sub question 3. See the question: 2x plus 3y is equals to 9. First equation, and second equation is 3x plus 4y is equals to 5. And after this I will solve question number 4, that is 3x sub question 4 of question number 1. 3x minus 5y is equals to 4, and second equation is 9x minus 2y is equals to 7. So let's see how we have solved the sum. First of all, I have written equation 1 and 2. I marked it as equation 1 and 2. See, and then I have written solving equation 1 because we have to follow substitution method as the instruction given in the question. So we are using substitution method here. So first of all, I have started from equation 1. That's why I written solving equation 1. 2x plus 3y is equals to 9. So 2x is here, and I have transferred 3y in RHS, and it is 9 minus 3y, and x is equals to 9 minus this 2 by cross multiplication came here as denominator with 9 minus 3y. So x is equals to 9 minus 3y by 2. Now what we need to do, because we got this value of x with the help of equation 1, so we will substitute this value of x not in equation 1, we will solve it in equation 2, right? Okay, so I did the same thing. So I have written here substituting this value of x in equation 2. First of all, we have copied the equation, that was 3x plus 4y is equals to 5, and in place of x we substitute this value. See, 9 minus 3y upon 2 and plus 4y is equals to 5, as it is we have copied. Now what I did, I have taken 1 by 2 outside the bracket. Okay, so it became 3 by 2, and inside the bracket there is 9 minus 3y plus 4y is equals to 5. Now I have opened the bracket, therefore this is 3 by 2 into 9 means 3 9 are 27 by 2 minus 3 3s are 3 3s are 9 y by 2 plus 4y is equals to 5, as it is copied. Now what I have decided to transfer these y terms, this one and this one, these both are y terms, means they are like terms. So I transferred these two in RHS, and these two are constant numbers, so we assembled these two together. So see, here was plus 5, so it became here and with minus sign, and minus 9y by 2 when gone on that side it became with plus sign, while plus 4y became minus 4y. Okay, now what, we have taken LCM was 2, so it is 27 minus 10, and here again LCM is 2, and this is 9y minus 8y, so 2 cancelled, and 27 minus 10 is what, 17, and 9y minus 8y is y, therefore y is equals to 17. Okay, now we are going to substitute this value of y in any of original equation. Okay, because we got the answer of y. So I have written substituting this value of y in equation 1. First of all, we have copied the equation, 2x plus 3y is equals to 9, and 2x plus in place of y we have used the value of y, that is 17 is equals to 9. So it is 2x is equals to 9 minus 51, because 17 3s are 51, so on that side we shifted, so it is minus 51, and 9 minus 51 is minus 42, and this 2 came here by cross multiplication, so 2 21s are 42. So x is equals to what, x is equals to minus 21, and here is your answer. Two values you got, x and y. If you want to cross check, you may cross check it. So children, if it is given in the question that you have to verify your answer, then you have to do that thing also, verification. If it is not given, still we are doing the verification work just to cross check that our answer is correct or not. Okay, so please do that. Question number fourth question, 3x minus 5y is equals to 4, equation number 1. 9x minus 2y is equals to 7, equation number 2. Now we have started from equation 1, solving equation 1. 3x minus 5y is equals to 4, therefore 3x is equals to 4 plus 5y, x is equals to 4 plus 5y by 3. Okay, now we will substitute this value of x in equation 2. Why? Because we have solved equation 1 to get the value of x. Now what is equation 2? 9x minus 2y is equals to 7. So we will substitute the value of x, that is 4 plus 5y by 3. Here we did it. Minus 2y is equals to 7, copied. Now we can see 3 and 9. We reduce 9 by 3 because 3 3s are 9. So here is 3 into 4 plus 5y minus 2y is equals to 7. Now when we open the bracket, it is 3 4 ja 12 plus 3 5 ja 15y minus 2y is equals to 7. Now we will transfer this 12 on RHS, so it is 7 minus 12, and what is here? It is 15y minus 2y, that is equals to 13y. Therefore y is equals to what? 7 minus 12 is minus 5. Okay, and this 13 came here in denominator, so first answer is minus 5 by 13. Okay, now substituting this value of y in equation 1, then what will happen? We have copied the equation. 3x minus 5y is equals to 4, and we use the value of y here. 3x minus 5 into minus 5 by 13 is equals to 4. You may write in series because there was no space, that's why I have written left and right, left and right. Okay children, so just copied this line, and in place of y I have used the value minus 5 by 13. Then what happens? See, 3x, this 3x is here, then minus 5 into minus 5 is plus 25 by 13 is equals to 4. Okay, next line what I did, I transferred this number that side because these two are constant numbers, so I have transferred 4 minus 25 by 13, and 3x is equals to what? We have taken LCM 13, so 13 is LCM, and 13 4 ja 52, so it is 52 minus 25. Then and when you will subtract 52 and 25, you will get 27. So 27 by 13, 3x is equals to 27 by 13, and I have reduced 27 by 3, so 3 9 are 27. That's why I have written here x is equals to 9 by 13. So these are the two values of your, or two solutions of your linear equation, that is x is equals to 9 by 13 and y is equals to minus 5 by 13. So in this video, after this question only children, very soon I am coming with rest questions. Till then, bye bye.